Hello everybody, hope you're well. Louis here. Just here to take you through what I found in the buy bit list. Now kind of as what I talked about yesterday, we did see some buying coming in during the United States session. I'm just going to bring up the watch list I got together. So there's a bit of a watch list and there's definitely a short bias. So because I won't be doing a scan tomorrow, there are some setups to look out for, particularly on the daily timeframes for shorts for high timeframe shorts. Now, in saying that, that's not saying that I'm bearish on the market. I'm not. I'm just simply looking at the chart and seeing what's there, and I'll go through that process with you on this scan. All right. So looking at Bitcoin, I'm just going to go to the daily. So remember, we're looking at how does the cradle zone help us determine what does the cradle zone do? How does the cradle zone help us determine when to take trades, when not to take trades? I got some good trades, not cradle trades yesterday, but I did get a good one. For the start of the year, it's a good feeling. Okay, so let's go to the monthly. Okay, so we do have a pullback into the cradle zone, which is nice. The last time we pulled back into the cradle zone here, boom, we saw quite a bit of an expansion. You know, like, that candle could go quite a bit lower. Yeah, we could get into the 37,000s or something like that. But yeah, that's what the cradle zone is telling me there on a higher time frame. So we're still in quite an uptrend, and yeah, there's a pullback into the cradle zone. So last time we saw a pullback into the cradle zone. Yeah, Bobby. Well, look, as traders, we want to be, so we're looking at the short side because if we do see more downside and we do break this significant level of Bitcoin, there's not much room, there's not much support and resistance if we did break that level. Hey, Dan, hope you're going well, mate. Bobby, hope you're going well. So the way I'm looking at the market is that if we do break that level, I would like to have some options there tomorrow if they present themselves to kind of hedge against that. For my portfolio going down, I can at least still profit off the market with the market going down. Now, if that happens, not saying that will happen. Now, go here on Bitcoin, and I'll show you. This 2-hour time frame, look at this. Boom, boom, boom. There's definitely a 2-hour cradle there on Bitcoin. And we do have a 4-hour uptrend. We definitely have a daily downtrend. So there's definitely a cradle there on the 2 with Bitcoin. But again, with Bitcoin, if we see that candle close small and bearish on the daily, and those moving averages just catch up a bit more, that'd be really well primed for only FTT, Ash. Only FTT I got. That's all I got yesterday. That would be really prime for a short. Obviously, we don't really want to be shorting to that level, but anyway. So got that 2-hour on Biddy. Now let's have a look at ETH. Now I put ETH in for the same reason. If that closes small and bearish tomorrow, I'd want to know about it. I apologize for the noise in the background. That's just, I just live on the main promenade of the beach, so that's all it is. There's a beautiful breeze blowing as well. So, yeah, again, if that closes small and bearish tomorrow, I do want to know about it. I want to know if there's options for me to hedge. Have a look at the 4. Have a look at the 8. We have the beautiful uptrend on the 4 on ETH. And look at this here on the 2. That's not too bad. A small bearish candle into 3,000. Oh, it's already triggered. But that is some nice cyclicity. That's what we talk about with cyclicity. Bounce, bounce. Same here on the 4. Bounce, bounce. It's bloody good. Yeah, it's really nice to see some cyclicity coming back to the markets. And so we do have those long options on the lower time frames, and we have the higher time frame options to go short. Okay, so here's another one. So remember, guys, this is just this seminar. It's all about only cradle trades, because everyone that's done the Bybit crypto cradle strategy course have only done crypto cradles, of course. Okay. Again, here on Sol, another option. You know, if we don't see more buying coming in tonight in the United States session, which, you know, it'd be so awesome if we did. Like, if we saw this market, if this was support and we saw the market take off, that'd be bloody awesome. But just in case it doesn't, we need to be objective as traders. That's how we make money. That's the whole aim of the game. So again, if that closes small and bearish tomorrow, I want to know about it. No worries, Wally. You're welcome, mate. You are welcome. And remember, we're all here to learn. That's the main objective. Like, we're all here to become better traders, and we're all here to understand this market better. That's the whole point. Like, you know, yeah, like me helping you, you helping me. That's just how the universe works, and that's how trading works as well. So we're all here to benefit off each other. A symbiotic relationship. Now, again, TRX. If that closed small and bearish, I want to know about it. Really, really do. Yeah, there's a bit of a level through there. But again, being objective with the market. Like, I want this market to rocket up as much as anyone else. But if it doesn't, at least prepared. At least I am prepared. 12, 16, daily. You might take EOS out. Again, that could be another option for tomorrow if that close small bearish, but it's not. There's better ones out there. Alice. I'm not not quite. Well, that's right. Michael Thaler would really want the market to be going up. But remember, that Bitcoin, he doesn't own Bitcoin physically. His company, Square or whatever it's not Square, whatever his company's called, they're basically offering Bitcoin bonds. So bigger institutions can come in and buy Bitcoin, and he manages the custody and everything of that. So just always something to remember. He's managing the custody of MicroStrategy, yeah. But still, you know, they have an average price of whatever they've entered in. Which gives a lot of faith to me, like, and it should give a lot of faith to us as well. Like, if price does find support here and go up, these institutions have been buying at this level. They have been accumulating. So, or at these levels. I think their price is like 30,000. But yeah. Anyway, back to the cradles. Again, small and bearish candle. If that closes small and bearish on the daily, I want to know about it tomorrow. And again, if this market does decide to rocket off, and you are in the Northern Hemisphere session, the way you trade this market will be on the lower time frames, or having a look at those 2-hour time frames as they start to cycle. I hope some more buying does come through, because that'd be awesome. It'd be bloody awesome. Gala, same setup. Just to the short side. If that eventuates. And we can kind of see buying dropping off a little bit here, but nothing really. And again, it's not uncommon. We've seen most of the action. We've seen most of the action on during the US session. So, like, you know, chances are we'll probably see most of the action during the US session tonight or this evening. Oh, look at this on CROPERP as well, pulling into a beautiful level, quite a level of significance there, and a bearish candle. Yes. Okay. Wally, Bitcoin on the 1 hour. Let's have a look here for you, sir. On the one, or are you talking about the 1 hour or the 2 hour, mate? You want me to have a look at? So look, if it's a 2 hour, there is a trend here. Bouncing. It's trying to trend. Like, there was a level. there was somewhat of a level running through here, and you may have got a bullish candle off that level. But let's just see if there are any fibs in here. No real fib action. The 1 hour, Wally. Yeah, mate. Yeah, look, there's some cyclicity coming through there, but it's not clear enough for me. Like, if you look at the 4, you see, like, these steps up, clear, higher, low, clear, higher, low. Here on the 1, it's kind of like price coming up, sputtering a bit. Sputtering, getting sticky. It's not clear. It's not very cyclistic. Ash. What do you normally do if you get a partial fill? Mate, what do I normally do if I get a partial fill? If I get a partial, look, I have my entry price, and if I get triggered at that entry price, whatever I get filled at that price is what I get entered at. So, yeah, listen to Ash, Wally. Listen to Ash. Ash is one of our more experienced traders in here for sure. So that's what I do, Ash. Like, if price goes above that entry price, I'm not interested. I'm not going to chase a trade. And if I get a partial fill, I'll just let that fill. If it fills, it fills. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I'm pretty open to closing it straight away. There's been too many times where I've been caught on the wrong side of a trade when I haven't done that, and I think about it too much. That's a scam, guys. So, look, we've had how many? 1, 2, 3 buying days in Bitcoin. Yeah, look, if we see price follow through from here, it'd be very interesting to see if price follows through from here. Again, if price decides to dip, that'd be very interesting as well. So let's see what happens. But whatever happens, we are ready for whatever happens. If the market wants to sell off and we get some short setups tomorrow, we'll be ready to strike. If the market decides to have some buying come in tonight during the United States session, go to the lower time frames. We can start working that 2 hour, the 1 hour, the 15 and the 30. So I hope you're all well. And as always, safe trading. And just remember, options, options, options. As always, safe trading. Oh, one more question from Ash. No worries, Bobby. You're welcome. Very welcome. Yeah, Ash, that's true as well. It can, like, if you don't get a full fill, yeah, it can be due to that low liquidity. Thanks, Ash. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed, mate. Wally, do we deal with underlying market dynamics? We just look at the chart, and we've all made enough money to have just looked at the chart. We trade trends. We can throw a bit of underlying market dynamics in there as well, but our main focus is just looking at price action in the chart. That's our main focus. That's what we really provides all our decision making. How far price goes away from the cradle zone, whether it dips back in. It makes it very simple and emotionless, and that's how trading should be. I hope you're all well. Any more questions? Sorry, guys. I just realized I didn't have my microphone in as well. Anyway, I hope you're all well. Take care. Safe trading. Be objective with the market. Whatever she gives us, it's a blessing. I'm grateful for that. See you guys later. And as always, safe trading.